The enterprise model, which is for the medium or medium to large enterprises. This is specifically designed or offered for those customers who has got up to 100 users and multiple domains, wherein they can configure multiple domains, they can create their own workflows, or they can configure or they can adapt the workflows that are available in the system, and then they can start using the data quality assessment, they can start using the data quality management of it, and their day-to-day operations of the master data management. They will be able to create, change, extend, block, unblock, merge, identify the duplicates, get redundant data, and improve the quality of the data. All these things they will be able to do as part of their enterprise model, and this is also hosted on cloud, which is a SaaS model. However, there is another one which is for on-prem. On-prem model is for those customers who are large customers or extra large customers, wherein they see that they have a lot of multiple integrations that they need to do, not just with only the ERP, but also with maybe SRM, CRM, or any other portals, or any other operational requirements that they have. They can go for an on-premise version. And on-premise version comes with full features, 100% features. And why we had to divide all these things? The reason, only reason, is that we would like to offer the lean governance to the small and medium enterprises. And as they move forward, they can actually upgrade from basic to professional, professional to enterprise as well, going forward as per their new requirements, as they are keep on changing.